What is going on, YouTube? So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to flash a DUDMD tune onto your BMW 335d or your BMW X5 35d, both with the M57 engines. So first things first, before we get into actually flashing the tune onto the car, I'm going to show you guys something here. These are two separate ITSA BMW OBD2 cables. This is strictly from DUDMD's tune. So when you buy his tune, you have the option of adding in the cable. I think it's like another $40 additional fee, but it's his official cable, and you know for a fact that this is going to work with the tune flash. This over here is a generic Amazon ITSA cable that I bought. I think I gave $15 for it, and he highly advises not to use this one. So this is a generic cable. If you have one of these, please do not use it. Go ahead and order his official cable, and I think he even recommends the Beamer Geeks cable as well. So make sure you have this cable and a Windows laptop. You can't use Chrome or Chrome OS, Chromebooks, whatever. Mac, I'm not sure, but my video is going to show you guys how to use this cable with a Windows computer. So when you use the remote flash option, it takes about 10 minutes to actually unlock your computer. So make sure you use a battery tender to keep your voltage up during the flash, because you do not want to lose voltage and possibly break your PCM. So I have a battery tender on my car, and right now I'm going to use my computer, and we are going to go ahead and upload my Stage 2 tune. So if you guys are using the DUDMD, I'm going to show you guys what to do. I'm going to go ahead, save this zip file to my downloads. Okay, for some reason my computer was trying to say it was a suspicious file, so we're going to go ahead, extract all. It's going to make a new folder. So once it creates this folder, we're going to open it up. So he has your PDF guides on how to use it, so I'm going to go ahead and open those up and read them. Okay, so he wants us to download these USB drivers, so we'll click the setup. Just allow it. Extract. It's going to send you through this wizard, just accept it. So the drivers are now installing. We'll give this some time to complete. So once those drivers have installed, just go to your device manager. Looks like we're going to go to our ports section. So go over to a USB serial port. He said it can be a range of anything from COM1 to 20. So once you see that, right click it. Properties, and then we're going to go to port settings, click advanced, switch it to COM1, and latency 1. So once you configure your USB settings, go ahead and download the tune. And I'm just going to save my tune to the desktop. Okay, so now on the instructions he says to go ahead and open up your remote flash program. So let's let that open up. Okay, now that is open, we're going to go ahead and put the car in accessories, turn off everything here. Turn off the radio, turn your fan off. Matter of fact, I don't even know how to turn the radio off. I'm just going to leave my radio on. I'm on a battery tender, it should be fine. Go to your flash tab. Once you do that, hit identify. So once it's connected, hit load bin, and then like I said, I put my tune on my desktop, so I'm just going to go ahead and click the Stage 2 tune and open it. So I've opened the file, now I hit flash. It's identifying the ECU. This may take several moments. The first stage took 10 minutes and 12 seconds. Now we're going through another upload stage. Okay, flashing complete. It took about 1 minute and 23 seconds. Turn off ignition for 30 seconds to allow the ECU to reset. And that's it, guys. After 30 seconds goes by, go ahead and start your car up and enjoy your new tune. As always, guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.